Come back. 0, 1 matrices. A matrix all of whose entries are either 0 or 1 are called is called a 0, 1 matrix. Recall the Boolean operations which operate on pairs of bits. B1 and B2 is 1. So 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. So remember, 1 represents true, 0 represents false. So AND operator results in true if and only if both the components are true. Okay. OR operator results in true if and only if one or the other is true. Okay. 1 or 1 is true, 1 or 0 is true, 0 or 1 is true, 0 or 0, so that's false or false, is false. Now, once you know once you know the conjunction and disjunction of bits, binary digits, we can talk about join and meet of 0, 1 matrices. Okay, the join of A and B is the 0, 1 matrix with disjunction of each entry. The meet of A and B is the 0, 1 matrix with conjunction for its respective entries. You also have what is called Boolean product of true matrices. It's like multiplication of matrices, but where you have addition, you have OR, right? Join. And where you have multiplication, you have meet. Okay. The square 0, 1 matrix, you can take rth powers and so on. All right. So let's, identity is the same as before for any other matrix. So let's look at examples, right? So suppose I have a 3 by 2 matrix, 0, 1 matrix, right? So I'm allowed only 0 and 1s. Okay. So if I want to multiply it to, this is 3 by 2, so I can multiply it to a 2 by 2 matrix. This is 3 by 2, that's 2 by 2. So you get, now the outcome will be 3 by 2. Okay. What is this entry? This entry is first row, first column. So first row, first column. 1 and 1. You see? 1 and 1. Or 1 and 1 or 1 and 0. Okay, let's figure out. 1 and 0 is a 0. 1 and 1 is a 1. 1 or 0 is a 1. Likewise, here is the second entry, first column. So second row, first column. Second row, first column. That is 0 and 1 or, so 0 and 1 or 1 and 0. Okay. 1 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 or 0 is 0. I hope you have an idea now how you would multiply 0, 1 matrices in bit operation. So that is the Boolean product. Okay. So continuing further. Likewise, you have the Boolean power. Boolean power, zeroth power is identity, first power is the matrix itself, second power is take the Boolean product of itself, and so on and so forth. Okay. What about the join and meet of two matrices of the same size? So suppose I take a 3 by 2 matrix, okay, and I take another 3 by 2 matrix. Change a few entries. Say, if I want to take the join means OR, okay. If I want to take a join of two 3 by 2 matrices, result will be the same 3 by 2. Each entry you go individually. 1 or 1 is 1. This one. 0 or 1 is 1. This one. 0 or 1 is 1. This one. 1 or 1 is 1. 1, 1. Okay. Now let's try. Instead of join, let's try meet. Meet is simply AND. Okay. So my matrix size will be the same. Here. 1 and 1 is 1. This one. 0 and 1 is a 0. This one. 0 and 1 is a 0. This one. 1 and 0 is a 0. 1 and 1 is a 1. 1 and 0 is a 0. So you know the meaning of join, you know the meaning of meet, you know the meaning of a Boolean product. Okay. So that completes this lesson 10. Next videos will start with lesson 11. Until then,